Hello, I'm going to give you some MCAS helpful hints, and I'm going to go through some problems with you on physical science. The first question that we're looking at is mass versus weight. Mass is something that remains constant. Weight changes depending on the pull of gravity and where it's located. The first part of the prompt says the table below shows the mass and the weight of a certain object on Earth. The mass is 6 kilograms. The weight is 60 newtons. That's what N represents. The second part of the prompt says the force of gravity on the moon is about 1/6 the force of gravity on Earth. What are the approximate mass and the approximate weight of the same object on the moon? So I take note that this is for Earth, and then we have to solve for what's happening when it's on the moon. So first of all, when we're looking through the choices, we're looking for where the mass remains constant. It should be the same number as Earth. However, the prompt tells us the force of gravity on the moon is 1/6. So I would underline or annotate that. And we're looking for a number for the weight to be 1/6 of this number here. Okay. The next question I have for you is about mixtures. First of all, a mixture is something where two or more substances are not chemically combined. The prompt says, which of the following diagrams best represents a mixture? So this one here, we have different kinds of things. So this line means a chemical bond, and not all the time are they combined, and there's different things in the picture. For B, everything here is chemically attached with that bond, that straight line. For choice C, we have a pattern and everything is connected with the bond. And choice D, we have everything connected with a bond, but not all the time, but they're all of the same type. Okay, so which one represents a mixture? In this next one here, what we have is the freezing point question. So it has to do with phases of matter. Okay, so we have the freezing point of nitrous oxide is -91 degrees Celsius. Which of the following statements best describes the effects on the particles in liquid nitrous oxide as its temperature is lowered to -91 degrees Celsius? So when we look through something like this looks very wordy, but we're looking for words we're familiar with, like freezing point, and it's a liquid, and it's lowered. So they're not really asking about the nitrous oxide in general. They're asking you about what do substances do when it's reaching its freezing point. So when we look through the choices here, we have A, the speed of the particles decrease. B, the particles begin to move in a straight line. C, the particles begin to move with a greater force. Or D, the motion of the particles become more random. What happens when something is reaching its freezing point? This last one has to do with measuring things for accuracy. Okay, so we have two parts of the prompt and a picture that we need to focus on. A student is measuring the length of the object shown in the picture below. So here's the object. Here's the ruler. It has 0, says cm for centimeters. It goes to 6, but the box goes a little past that 6. We're not sure how much. The ruler goes to 7 and a little bit more. The question, second part, says, which of the following rulers should the students use to measure the length of the object more precisely? How do we know how much more past the 6? The choices say A, a ruler is longer. B, a ruler that is also marked in inches. C, a ruler is marked in millimeters. D, a ruler that has 0 exactly at the end. Process of elimination. Narrow it down and hopefully you'll get to the right choice. Okay, I just wanted to say that this is something I enjoy doing. I hope this has helped you, and we'll do much more practice together. And if you have any questions, you can ask in class. Thank you so much.